Hello students, today we are going to discuss unit number 17 in social science of the 10th standard. Among them, in our 6th lecture, we will discuss the most important topic is unemployment. As we know that unemployment is one of the most dangerous and critical problem in nowadays, because maybe possible it might be more dangerous than the terrorism, because as we know that it is crucial because of it generates poverty. Poverty is originated because of the unemployment, because when people are not getting job, they will not getting rupees. That is why it is impossible to cope with whatever the requirement of the daily needs. So maximum countries of the world nowadays are facing unemployment problem. Now we will go for what actually the meaning of unemployment. Now we shall discuss what is the meaning of the unemployment. For example, if anyone who is in the age group of the 15 to 60 years and this person is ready to work at the prevalent market rate of the wages, and he has the energy, he has the good qualification for that particular work, and who required work, who is also searching the work but is not able to get work, such type of the person has been considered as unemployed person. So such type of the condition in group is called unemployment. So for example, if you are in age group of the 15 to 60, you are well qualified, and nowadays in India such type of the problem you will find everywhere, because most of the youth are well qualified, they have the good degree, and still they are not getting the proper and good job. That is why we can say they all are unemployed, and also they are wishing to do the work, still they are not getting the work. So it means they all are in that group of unemployment. Such an employment which has to be faced mandatory is called employment against his wish. If people would demand more than the prevalent market rate, for example, if anyone generally gets 20,000 per month, it is an only example, but a person required or wish more than 20,000, and who is not belong to the age group of the 15 to 60, who is also handicapped, who is weak, who is sick, who is old, lazy, everything. And such type of the people, when they are not getting any kind of the job and who are also not willing to work in spite of being capable, will not be considered as an unemployed. Now we shall discuss types of unemployment. Following are the types of the unemployment. Now we will discuss among them. The first one is seasonal unemployment. Seasonal means during the time of a particular season, this type of the people will be employed, and rest time they will be unemployed. For example, during the time of because of the lack of the irrigation facility, and as we know that in India, irregular rainfall and lack of the alternative employment, farmers have to remain unemployed for 3 to 5 months. This is called seasonal unemployment. For example, during the time of the monsoon season, some of the laborers, some of the workers who are engaged in umbrella making or selling industry, they will get an employment, but the rest days they will remain unemployed. Same thing. For example, some of the laborers who are engaged with firecracker industries, they will get job, they will get wages during the time of the Diwali, but the rest of the days they will remain unemployed. So we can say this is the seasonal unemployment. So during the season time they will be employed, and rest days they will remain unemployed. And second one is the frictional unemployment. Now what happens? Nowadays, as we know that technology is going to be changed every day. So when the new technology is introduced in place of the old technology, laborers will remain unemployed for some time. This is called frictional unemployment, because nowadays new machineries are also going to be introduced for that particular period of the time when the laborers will have to learn regarding the new machineries, and that is why they will have to remain until they learn regarding that technology. They will remain unemployed. This is called frictional unemployment. And third one is structural unemployment. Indian economy, as we know, that is backward. Our society is also the orthodox, and social backwardness and traditional orthodoxy, customs, illiteracy, and lack of the structural facilities, all these are responsible for structural unemployment. Actually, as far as the structure is concerned, we are too much far away from the developed country. So we can say because of the lack of the structure, we are not able to provide employment to so many people. This is called the structural unemployment. We are not able to get even today good structure in each and every field. And sometimes what happens, because of the illiteracy, because of our orthodox nature, we are stopped to do something new. And fourth one is the disguised unemployment. Sometimes what happens? More than required number of the workers are involved in a particular occupation. Now what happens? A few laborers are removed from work. So obviously some of the laborers will have to lose their job. So they will remain unemployed, but there will be no effect like decrease is recorded in the total production. So these extra laborers will remain unemployed in disguised way. For example, in any industry, there are working 1,000 workers, but unfortunately, because of the new technology, because of the new machinery came, and that is why only 800 laborers are required. Now what will happen? Remaining 200 laborers will have to lose their job. So this is called disguised unemployment. And fifth one is industrial unemployment. In the industrial field, if anyone has to remain unemployed for short term or long term due to changes taking place in industrial sector, such a situation is called industrial unemployment. Nowadays, as we know that new machineries, new technology in the industries, and nowadays corona-like situation, and that is why industry is also going to be shut down. So many industries are shut down. So this is a big change. So industries, laborers will remain unemployed. And sixth one, educated unemployment. If a person has obtained at least secondary education or degree, is unemployed, is called educated unemployed. And nowadays, as we know that even there are so many students who have more than secondary education, they have the degree of the engineering, even sometimes the doctors are not getting the job. This is called educated unemployment. What a big problem of the world, and especially in the India, as we are all overpopulated. Thank you.